Hey guys, that one guy 158 from YouTube, and I would like to show you my Power Macintosh G3 Mini Tower. The Mini Tower features a 233 MHz processor, 256 MB of RAM, a GB hard drive, and another 3 GB hard drive. It runs macOS 9.2.2. Even though the iPhone has better specs, you can still play some good games on here. Does anyone remember Sim Stapler? As an added bonus, I have my eMate 300. They are both made the same year, the Power Mac and the eMate. Here's the pen with the touchscreen and the keyboard. So thank you for watching and please subscribe.